Words cannot express. Understanding deep emotions in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, words cannot express. This phrase is often used to convey deep emotions or feelings that are hard to put into words. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding these expressions can greatly enhance your English fluency. So, let's get started and explore the depth of emotions together. The phrase, words cannot express, is used when something is so intense or profound that no words can adequately describe it. It's a powerful expression that acknowledges the limit of language in conveying the full extent of one's feelings. This could be related to joy, gratitude, sorrow, or any overwhelming emotion. Understanding when and how to use this phrase will help you communicate more nuanced emotions in English. To better grasp the phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. Gratitude. Words cannot express how grateful I am for your help. 2. Sympathy. Words cannot express my sorrow for your loss. 3. Joy. Words cannot express the happiness I feel right now. These examples show the versatility of the phrase across different emotional contexts. It's a useful expression for situations where emotions run deep, and simple words feel insufficient. Integrating words cannot express into your conversations can help you connect more deeply with others. Here are a few tips. Use it to emphasize the intensity of your feelings. Combine it with specific emotions to clarify what you're feeling. Remember, it's a strong phrase. Use it in situations where your emotions are genuinely overwhelming. By practicing with these tips, you'll find it easier to express complex emotions in English and make your conversations more meaningful. Thank you for watching our video on Words Cannot Express. We hope now you have a better understanding of how to convey deep emotions in English. This phrase is a beautiful reminder of the power and sometimes the limitations of language in expressing what we truly feel. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this expression to share your profound feelings with others. See you in the next video, and happy learning!